Hello, thank you very much for joining me again. I have iPhone 11 for a screen replacement. As you can see, the screen is broken, so touch is not working, so I'm unable to shut down. So let's open the bottom screws with the pen tool of a screwdriver. So you will find a couple of screws bottom. So those screws are coming out. The other one is giving me a little hard time, but it's out now. So let's put the soft knife on any corner and pull it up. So I'm just using the lower left corner to open it. Here we go. It is lifting up, so it's open like book style. You'll find a bunch of screws down there. So you need a Y screwdriver to remove all the screws. On a big metal plate you will find 1, 2, 3, fourth, and this is the last fifth one. So the five screws you'll find on the big metal plate. So disconnect those things, disconnect the all connectors. So this is a sensor and the Face ID stuff, so just remove from all the screen. And normally iPhone 11 I don't disconnect the batteries because there is a safety feature. You can do that while it even turns on. So just disconnect this earpiece from the all broken screen. So be careful because it's very easy to break. So here we go. Put something not the sharp but kind of sharp on this. This is a new screen. So let's remove the packing material from there. By the way, this is uncut video. And here we go. Let's put this earpiece back into not install into the new screen. So align properly. You'll find 3 screws. Again, we need to put those 3 screws. One flip on the right side, the left side also one flip, and then you need to put the last one, which is a flip also. Last flip one, I mean. Now you need a Y screwdriver, which is the smallest screw on the screen. So put this thing, everything is ready. Let's connect to the motherboard. So this is a earpiece I have connected. There's a couple of screen connector I have connected. Put the metal plate back. Here we go. We need to put those 5 screws back to the motherboard. Here we go. So there are a couple of are done. So let's try this one is third, and here we go. Everything is done. Let's try to turn on. I think it has no battery. It was very low battery when I was starting. So let's put the charging is turning on. Here we go. So while it's turning on, let's put the screen on it place. Here we go. Be careful. Press on edges. Let's put the bottom screws. If you like that video, please thumbs up. And if you want me to repair any kind of video, I will try to do it for you. Let me know in the comments and share with your friends. So that's how you can very easily replace your iPhone 11 screen. Touch is working. Good to go. See you in the next video.